I have been hearing this one word for so long now: personal brand. Everywhere: LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Everyone is building a personal brand. But most of us don't even know what are we even building. And that made me curious, what exactly is personal branding? किसी ने कभी भी ये नहीं बताया कि पर्सनल ब्रांड होता क्या है। सो आज हम इसको ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग होती क्या है, और वो कॉलेज लाइफ में या फिर किसी भी ऐसे इंडिविजुअल को जो जस्ट अभी स्टार्ट आउट कर रहा है उसके लिए ज़रूरी क्यों है। मेरे अकॉर्डिंग एक पर्सनल ब्रांड वो होता है जो लोग आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आप क्या करोगे। फॉर मी, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज नॉट अबाउट बीइंग फेमस, इट्स अबाउट बीइंग फेमिलियर। Like when someone hears your name, they do not go like, oh, influencer, but rather, oh, I trust this person. This person gives genuine feedbacks and reviews. This person is someone I can rely on. This perception of you to them is your personal brand. That's it. Not followers, not likes, just this perception of trust they have for you is your personal brand, and that's growth. Now let's see what data says. I was recently reading a LinkedIn study and it said that most employers see your online presence before even actually seeing your CV. क्या मतलब है इसका? इसका बेसिकली सिंपल सा ये मतलब है that people form an opinion on you even before meeting you. Crazy, right? So, your personal brand is not a new project you start, but a something that you have been building throughout, even when you're not conscious. The way you comment, the way you post, the way you say, or even the way you say silent makes your personal brand yours. Let's simplify it. If I had to break it down, a personal brand grows when these three things align. First, what you actually care about. Not something that's trending, but something that matters to you. Second, how you express it. Writing, designing, talking, anything. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Third, how consistent your energy feels. Like, people know what to expect from you even when you are not posting. And now let's talk about the honest truth that nobody speaks of. You do not need to design your personal brand, you just need to notice it. Because the way you show up, the way you talk, the way you speak on certain things, and the way you keep quiet on certain things all adds up to it. So now, instead of asking, how do I build my personal brand? Think about what I'm already known for and work on that. Maybe you're known for your kindness, maybe your knowledge, maybe your humor. Whatever it is, just lean with it. And most people say that personal brand means being standing out, but not actually. It's about being remembered. And people remember you when you make them feel safe, understood, or inspired. जो आप हो वही आपका ब्रांड है, उसको बस क्लैरिटी से दिखाने की ज़रूरत है, प्रिटेंड करने की नहीं. एंड इवेंचुअली योर पर्सनल ब्रांड इज नॉट समथिंग यू बिल्ड, रादर समथिंग यू ग्रो इनटू. जस्ट लाइक हाउ हर बारी आप अपनी वैल्यूज़ के साथ इवॉल्व करते हो और उसको अच्छे से रॉ फॉर्म में दिखाते हो, आप और भी ज़्यादा अपने पर्सनल ब्रांड को ग्रो करते हो. So, yeah, personal brand is not about being someone else, rather, being so much yourself that people cannot confuse you for someone else. And if you are watching this, take a pause and think to yourself, what do people think when they say your name? And that is your starting point for your personal brand. That's it for today from my end. See you next week with another masterpiece. Until next time, cheers.